Yes, there are petitions in the Honorable Supreme Court. One, filed by a group led by the lawyer of Pastor Kibuloy. Ang nagsasabing siya raw ang appointed son of God. Kung kaya nitong pigilan ang lindol, kaya rin ba nitong pigilan ang mandato ng konstitusyon? The second one, filed by the Vice President herself, as usual, represented by several lawyers, lampas 10 abogado. And the third one, filed by several individuals, mostly lawyers. Ang dami-dami namang abogado questioning the very core of our rules. And just yesterday, we received the fourth one. It was filed by Carpio and lawyers with the Regional Trial Court of Quezon City. Esteemed colleagues, beloved countrymen, total of 4 petitions na ang layon ay patigilin ang pagdinig na ito. Ang palagi nating sinasabi, public office is a public trust. Indeed, easier said than done.